Google Search Console gives you data, but GetGenie shows you what to do, which pages need update, which keywords are slipping, and what's are the missing opportunity. And that's exactly what GetGenie does. In this video, I am going to demonstrate SEO Insight feature for you. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install GetGenie, and from GetGenie, we'll select SEO Insight. From this dashboard, first of all, we need to add our website here, and you can add multiple websites. We have added 3 websites here, and I'm going to select GetGenie also, and I will track the data of GetGenie in this tutorial. And if you want to add your Google Search Console in your dashboard, we have another video for how to install Google Search Console in GetGenie. I have added that in the description. From the dashboard, you can understand a summary of all the informations available here, tracked keywords, latest keywords, top pages, and country and device wise performance. So let's start from this tab, keywords. Let's select keyword latest overview. Oh, I have forgot to mention that you need to add a date here to see the data. I have selected 7 days. I have selected last 7 days here. Okay, let's start from keyword latest overview. In this section, you can see how many keywords have been improved and how many keywords have declined, and the top 10 position of your keywords and outside top 10 positions of your keywords. You can also watch the pages from here, and you can see what's happening here. Now let's see what's next. Track keyword data. In this section, you can add some special keywords you want to track. Like for GetGenie, I will select SEO Insights, and from this you can see only SEO Insights data from here. There is not enough data for last 7 days, so let's go to another option, lost keyword data. Okay, in this section you can see the messaging here, displays keywords having 0 impressions or ranking outside 100 positions in the SERP. So in this section you can see the keywords which ranking is outside 100 right now. So you can see this, its position is 124, 133 and 135. These 3 keywords have been lost. Let's go to the another option, new keyword data, and it's the opposite of lost keyword data. That means displays keywords having impression or ranking within 100 position in the SERP. So you can see that these 4 keywords have been in the top 100 recently. There has been a huge jump in the position. It's in number 41, it's in number 97. Okay, now let's move to top pages. This feature displays keyword position in 1 to 20 in the SERP. So you can see the top pages which ranks in top 20. Okay, now we are going to competing pages. In your website, there are multiple pages ranking for the same keyword, which is not ideal thing, but sometimes this happens. And in this page, it shows that which 2 keywords are competing each other. You can see that data from here. Now go to the pages require attention. In this section, displays pages ranking for keywords in the positions beyond 20 in the SERP. That means with the keyword, it shows that 3rd pages, so you can understand the data from here. Now we will move to low hanging fruits. Low hanging fruit means the keyword ranks between 5 to 20 in the SERP, so it has a lot of potential to be in the top 3, and this section shows them here. Like these keywords are in 5th position, 6th position, 7th position, 9th position, and it has potential to be in top 3. So this section shows that. And now I will go to country and device wise performance. It will show that which countries are doing great for your website. For us, India, Bangladesh, Brazil and USA are doing great. And you can also from the filter section watch the devices here. Surprisingly, mobile is working better than desktop in this situation. Now we will see our latest update in this SEO Insight AI traffic. From this section you can see which amount of AI referral traffic we are getting. Like from ChatGPT we are getting 54 views, from Gemini we are getting 14, and from Claude we are getting 2 views. And also we can see the total users, active users and returning users from this AI platform platform, and I think this adds a lot of new scope for AIO or SEO for your website. That exactly GetGenie does. From the Search Console data, it tells us which pages need attention and what should be our next strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.